mathematics is a language, and so you need to think of it like French or Spanish or any one of the other foreign languages, and it's the language of science. It's a language of symbols.
I think it's really fun because it kind of backs up all of the other sciences. I like the logic behind it because it's just kind of natural for me to figure out how mathematics works. I find it really fascinating.
Like the mathematical world is lots of little miracles coming together, and it's an amazing thing, I think, when you see connections where you didn't think there was any connections before.
Mathematics is not only just a pure math or counting number, it's applicable to any area, and then that helps a lot of process of thinking anywhere you go. Like whenever you have research, you have different way of thinking.
It's a really great feeling when you finally solve a problem. Some problems you know that they're hard, and so when you figure them out, it's a really great feeling of euphoria.
I think that the area of mathematics is as creative as the area of music, as the area of art.
Math is very broad in its scope and extremely effective in whatever situation is applied.
We have three other areas in the math department besides actuarial science. The next most popular area is mathematics education, and then the second largest area will be applied mathematics, and these are individuals that like math and like to problem solve and take the tools of mathematics and apply them in the real world somewhere. And then the last area we have is pure mathematics, and pure mathematics individuals are thinking about maybe going to grad school in mathematics, or maybe to law school, or other areas where they can apply the theoretical concepts of mathematics to make valid arguments.
We are a comprehensive and very competitive department which provides first-class education with very good academic opportunities for academic career in mathematical sciences.
The department is trying to accommodate and attract people who are interested in solving problems in the real world, as well as in mathematical journals. Theoretical math is interesting in and of itself, but it's always good to have applications. Actuarial science is one of the best ways, in my opinion, for someone who likes math but doesn't want to be in academia for a career to find a career. There are a couple of large insurance companies in the area, Conseco, One America, and many insurance companies in pretty much any large city in the country. So it's a very portable career.
You will find all these people across the campus in their respective disciplines who will be able to interact with you and teach you, and who will be willing to do this just because these interactions are encouraged and facilitated and there are means to do it.
And our department here is great because we have plenty of world-class faculty, great people.
There are very, very great professors here, very great advisors. The IUPUI math faculty is well known for a few faculty who are actually internationally known.
I really love the math department. The size of it, I think, is perfect. It's big enough to where there are plenty of professors and plenty of opportunities for whatever type of class or whatever area of math you're looking into, but at the same time it's small enough that I don't feel like I'm just a number. I think one of the big things has been the advising staff in the math department. They have told me a lot of stories about people, how they go from undergraduate to graduate to faculty members, or just the different places that you can go to. So just hearing those stories and hearing some of the professors themselves, their background stories, it's really encouraging to hear them say, I was exactly where you were at one point.
So what we boast here is a small class sizes, about 40-45 students, with a great and fabulous faculty to student ratio, with set of expertise and interests that really can only expand the mind. And I think that is a part where attentiveness to our student is really making a difference in my mind.
Yes, I think math is an exciting sort of thing that you can tailor mathematics to any discipline that you want. Mathematics is going to help you understand that discipline that much more.
Besides the profession, it's a very important part of human culture. Math is like a history, is like a language. Everybody studies their own language, everybody studies history. It's just an integral part of what makes us humans.